All right, just want to show you what condition the old one was in. You can see that rubber grommet is torn and stuff. So every time you would shift or anything, normal driving, your engine's going to be flexing and not good. So hopefully that's going to help the car drive better. So this should be an easy job. But those are always the last words before something happens. So let's see how this is going to go down. All right, let's get this dog bone on there. So like I said, this should be a pretty straightforward job. Let's cross our fingers and hope it goes that way. All right, here we go. Yep. Okay. Oh, there goes the engine. So I might need to get a jack under here to get the engine up. Get it back into position, lined up with the thing. All right, there you go. Save your bolts because it does not come with bolts. Now let's get the jack. Let's spray some degreaser down here as well. Let's degrease this. All right, so we cleaned it up down there a little bit so you don't put new parts on dirty cars. All right, I guess the logo goes up, huh? Oh, there we go. That's a lot better. All right. I should probably bend this down, but it's all right. Okie dokie. We look pretty lined up now. Off a little bit. There we go, right there. Perfect. Okay. Remember, you want to start these by hand so you don't strip the threads in the engine block. Once you get it started, you should be good. Oops. All right. All right. That should help keep my engine steadier, more stable. And more flexible. There we go. Now I'll get better, cleaner shifts, and we should be good to go. Oh, this job is done. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace out.